Hello guys, One Key Car Garage here again with a fun unpacking first impressions video. This is on the ACDelco ARW 1210-4P, and this is a ratchet wrench. So let's get to it. And this is supposed to be one of the top of the line ones for him, if not the top model. Right. Got that. And that out the way. And this is it. It's a 1/2-inch drive, so should get a lot more power. And these are some of the specs right here. 12 volt, 70 foot-pound torque. The weight is about 3 pounds. That's a tool right there. ARW 1204. Open the box. Comes with the usual manuals. This one comes with a charger, just like the other one I reviewed. Right. Comes with the G12 platform battery, and what I like about this one is it's universal among their ratchet wrench tools, and the sleek design is not bulky at the base, so it allows you to get into tighter spots. All right, it's a nice hefty, and this is brushless. The trigger mechanism is a little different than the others. This one is a soft squeeze. The others have the lever on it. All right, this one is massive, guys, massive. We're gonna see if there's any juice on this battery. It also comes with an LED light. All right, there's a switch right there. Lockout switch. So if we go like that, locks it out. Go like that. That's nice, nice, nice. Well balanced. And that's a sleek design there. Allows you to get. This one has enough torque. I believe on the description also it says it has about 100 foot-pound of hand torque. The motor torque is a 70, as we've seen from the description, but there are LEDs right there. And nice. This feels like a quality tool, guys. That's it. ARW 1210-4 lithium ion. Yep. Head is solid. Well made, guys. I believe this is another winner from this company. Not endorsed, or not sponsored, I should say, but you know, compared to the other high-end tools, This is very solid indeed. Indeed, this is a nice one. Allows you to get those larger, bigger jobs. And it's about 13 inches tall, as you can see. All right, guys, that's it. And like I mentioned in the previous video, we have another one on the way. This one is the extended reach. It's a sleeker design, which should allow you to get into those tighter spaces, especially if you're working on those European vehicles with you know, small clearances. So guys, that's it. Another winner from ACDelco. Have a good one.